Hi everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Job Sharing Series. Today we are going to share you a couple of job news which is for freshers mostly, and they are for the experienced people as well. So before that, wish you a very happy Republic Day, right? And let me start. This is a disclaimer which means whatever job news I'm going to share with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam. This is the first opening that we have, which is for absolute freshers, right? So guys, EBRYX Private Limited is hiring for the freshers. If you have no experience and even if you have 6 months of experience, you can join for this role. And guys, they're hiring cybersecurity, IT, CS, SE, cyber fresher graduate with the zero experience. Okay, they should have all those knowledge, right? Career in cybersecurity, and you should have at least knowledge. Experience doesn't matter, but knowledge should be there. And if you have knowledge about, you'll get a GRC internship, right? And this is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. And probably like they are claiming they are good environment. Let's see. Now next one is someone is hiring for all those internship AI, cybersecurity, software development, prompt engineering, full stack. This is a mail on which you can drop your resume, right? Meanwhile, if you're looking for internship, you can check out above URL. 100% internship you will get, right? Next one is someone is hiring for SOCL2, right? This is for the 6 years of experience required, but this is in Abu Dhabi, and this is related 4G and 5G network, right? And these are the key requirements, and this is what the preferred certificate is there. And L Dev Kumari at reachgroup.a is the mail on which you can drop your resume. Next one is someone is hiring as an associate analyst, 6 to 8 years of experience required. There are things which are required, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Probably that one was for SOC. Someone is hiring for director of cybersecurity in Bird Eye. This is a company name. It's Gurgaon based, 10 to 15 years of progress experience in cybersecurity, right? See what they are looking for, right? Next one is Latinum Latinum HR Solution is hiring for cybersecurity analyst in Dubai, right? And this is job will be related to government and all those things. SOC, SIEM, incident response, 2700 and NIST, cloud security, all those knowledge is required. Salary is around 15,000, 25,000 monthly, and this is a mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Someone is hiring for the cybersecurity lead role in KSA, which is Riyadh under KSA. I guess KSA is country, right? These are the mails on which you can drop your resume, right? And you can see like what exactly they are looking for and what are things is there. Now, someone is again hiring for the senior security analyst in Riyadh. 4 years of experience required in SOC. They are the key responsibility which will be assigned to you, and they are the requirement. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Make sure to add this one in the subject line, right? Only they are going to review your profile. Okay, now the next one is that's all for today. Yes, that's not all for today. Okay, so that's all for today, I guess. If you're looking for associate internship, check out this URL. If you're looking for web application pen testing internship, you can check out URL. That's what we have. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind, guys.